Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 TrailBlazer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.2-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, fog lights, rear window wiper, Inside you'll find leather upholstery, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats, cruise control, child safety locks, adjustable headrests, reclining seats, side airbag system, auto express down window. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.